So here we are. We're going to do a roast of pork. We're going to do, there's a leg. We've also got a shoulder going in. It's going to be nice Mexican flavoured pulled pork. So we've put a nice Mexican flavoured rub on it. Then we're going to sous vide it for 36 hours, but we've got to vacuum pack it first. So we'll go to the vacuum packer and then she'll go in the sous vide bath. So we use our S70 here, which is a good tough industrial model, and we'll give it about 35 seconds of vacuum time, which should be plenty to give a really good tight pack, so as you have no air in it for the sous vide cooking. So it's a Mexican rub on it, and it will be for pulled pork, and that will be either for tacos or in buns, for sliders, or just with coleslaw. Good anyway. So a nice tight vacuum. You've got to get all the air out of it if we're going to sous vide it, especially for the length of time we're planning on sous videing it. So it's a nice tight pack there. So now we take it over to the sous vide bath, take off any excess water, and we're going to just plonk it straight in there. And that's in there at 74 degrees C. So we'll put the lid back on. And there she goes. She's going to be sous vide cooking for 36 hours. After that, we'll pull it in the bag. We'll put it in a foil tray, and we'll blanch it with some smoke in the Weber barbecue. But that's in 2 days' time. So see how we go then. So we're going to put another cut in. This is a shoulder of pork, also going to be pulled pork, also with a nice Mexican flavoured rub on it. So that goes in the sous vide next to the first one. Hopefully we don't get an overflow. Got to be submersed. Now they'll both be in there for 36 hours cooking time before we pull them and then barbecue them.